Vegan nuggets cooking. Nuggets on top zucchini, and I'm gonna edit cherry tomatoes and onion. Look at that, beautiful. Very simple. Like I said, nuggets and all this veggie, tomatoes, zucchini and onion, a little bit salt, and very low temperature. And no oil. This vegan food, vegan nuggets and veggie, I'm doing for tomorrow. Just I get some idea what I'm gonna eat tomorrow. And so this video I'm gonna continue tomorrow as well. And I was thinking to talk about vegan stuff. And I know that some people wrote to me, I love meat, and some people not giving me comments, but I hope my audience vegan is me, and then you understand me. What do you think? Are you feel good? I'm a vegan from 2015, and I ended up to be a vegan for 8 months, and I felt very bad and sick. So I come back to vegan again, and I feel better now. For me, it works, vegan. I've been vegetarian whole my life, and that's why it wasn't so difficult for me start to be a vegan. And this is what I want to say. And guys, follow me. I'm gonna continue video tomorrow as well. I hope you like my videos. A little bit boring in Malmö because it's the same, you know, a little city. You can say little city if you live in bigger cities. It's little, but Malmö, southern Sweden, it's third biggest city in Sweden. It's a little bit more than 300,000 people living here. Okay, guys, and continue to watch. Continue tomorrow, Tuesday. Food is ready for tomorrow. Nuggets and veggie. Good morning, guys. Coffee, beautiful, nice.
To win instead of Obama winning the second term. So my guess is yes, because he thinks he would have less difficult questions to answer from.
gå hem på lite. Men de kan ju vara där. Men de kan vara där. Och sen kanske gå till Nikola och Katarina och fortsätta. Ja, jo tack.
Det är ju om du ska överleva. Ja, det är ju bättre att ta absolut.
Men vadå, så han har ingen känslig vän?
Jag träffade han i helgen. Så han gick han fram och han släpade ena foten. Han har tagit lustgas. Han har tagit så mycket lust.
Kom så du tog 40 sen 39 och 35. Han sa det inte.
Men Möllan är fett.
Det lät lite mindre.
Vad var det med att räkna om? Jävla tyst. Nej, det är
Vill du ha en sån?
Ett glas vatten.
Eller få med dig?
Wonderful weather, and thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow, guys. Thank you, bye. And Mrs. Brown now. Look at that beautiful environment here. Beautiful flowers. And I forgot to tell you guys, don't forget subscribe and like. See you soon.